Condors, giant birds, high in the sky, soaring at 50,000 feet. A California condor scavenge for food on the ground far below. It glides effortlessly on its wing that span 10 feet. Then it spots something. It carries off a rabbit and begins its slow descent, weighing in at more 30 pounds, making the condor one of the largest flying birds in the world. It has little concern for predator, or as it lands and starts feeding on the dead animal. For many years, very few, very few condors were seen in the skies over California. As the giant bird hovered on the brink of extinction, thanks to the tireless work of conservationists and the government, these giant of animal world are making a comeback, searching on the searching on the wind. There are two species of condors, and they both live in the western hemisphere. The California condor is in the southwestern United States, and the Andean condor in the western South America. Some Andean and California condor live in coastal areas, while others live in arid inland regions. Typical condor habitat include rocky canyons, gorges, desert, cliffs, and mountains. While this landform serves thunder well since they prefer to perch in high places. Experts have recently discovered California condors settling in the high in the cavities of giant redwoods in the largest trees. Whatever region condors inhabit, the location just meet their number one priority, their hunting requirement. They also require thermal wind currents or updraft which allow the birds to soar. Thermal are columns of warm air that blow upward, and strong updraft can be caused when passes over mountain or cliff. These conditions allow condors to fly in tight circles as they scavenge. They might fly as far as 150 miles per day and speed up to 50 miles per hour. Condors are capable of soaring on the wind for hours without flapping their wings. When they're not busy flying to dizzying height, condors are usually perched on high rocking ledges. The inaccessibility of the dwellings keep their eggs safe from flightless potential predator below. An acquired taste from the are vultures, a term used for all birds that eat carrion, the remains of dead animal. California condors eat rabbits, squirrels, and gophers, but they prefer larger animals such as deer, elk, and cattle. Pigeon condors also feed on small and large animals, including local llamas and alpacas. Condors along the coast clean beach of dead fish, seabirds, and even occasional whale that wash uh, ashore. Condors may eat 40 pounds of flesh at one time, and they go for days without eating, so they must be expert scavengers. While condors don't have good sense of smell, their eyesight is an exceptional tool. that allow them to zero in on food from tremendous height. Sometimes a condor will see all the vultures circling, a sure sign that they have spotted food. The larger condor simply descend and engulfs the other animal meal. Carrion can be full of bacteria which could be deadly to most living things, but condors' risk from bacterial infection is low. Condors can eat all the bacterial infection that animal they want and never get sick. Recent study held that condors' stomach acid is 10 to 100 times stronger than human stomach acid. The cleanup function condors provide is more is important to the health of the ecosystem where they live. Both is beautiful. Up close condor may not be considered beautiful, but they look the way they do for a reason. Condors, bare hands are specific specifically adapted for the way they eat. Drew feather next for listeniness when condors stick their hands into animal caresses, which make washing up um, meal much easier. The ratio of condors' body weight to their study of broad wings make this bird expert gliders. Males are typically larger and female, but the difference depends on the species. California condors have predomin- predominantly black feather with fluffier back feather and the color ornate aging condors mostly also mostly black, but with contrasting white feather at the neck. And the most stand out of all the condor was a soft, fleshy growth on their heads called a comb. They are born with their comb, making it easy to pinpoint male chick from female. Scientists have been learned to identify individual male birds by observing and recognizing these wrinkles on their head. Condors also belong to another bird category, raptor. Like other raptors such as eagle and hawk, condors have sharp hook beak that help them tear off the piece of flesh. Raptors also have long legs. The most have sharp talons to catch with prey. Condors, however, have no need to grab living animals with their talons. Have adapted to their eating habits, become more claw-like and less sharp. Condors' talons help them balance while feeding on the ground, handled with care. On average, a female condor lays also only one egg every 2 years, which is one rare and significant egg for an endangered species. Even though each egg is vitally important to the survival of the species, a condor mother doesn't build a soft nest in which to lay her egg. She lays the egg right on hard surface rocky cliff or cave floor. Condor parents are diligent about protecting a precious egg. After about 56 days, the chick begins to hatch. It can take up to a week to become emerged from the egg. Both parents help feed the chick. They store food for the chick inside their throat, carry it back to the nest and pass through from the bills to the chick bill. After the chick eat and claw, the feather gradually turn from gray to black. When a young bird is around 6 months, it's ready to fly. Condor have full predator, a live long live, usually about 60 years in the wild. The biggest threat from fallen, an eagle which tries to smash out a condor egg. Condor live longer in captive settings such as zoo, where some have lived for more than 75 years. People and condors. Both species of condors are endangered. The Andean condor was added to the endangered species list in 1973, and the California condors have been listed in list in 1967. There are some different in the struggle for survival. But one fact is certain: humans have been among condors' biggest all-time enemies. The number of California condors plunged when settlers reached the American West in the 19th century. At that time, this condor ranged up and throughout the entire Pacific coast, but many people didn't like the big birds. They thought condors were ugly and shot them. People would also want to extermin- exterminate coyotes and wolves, so they left prison out to kill them. When a condor ate a poisoned animal, the condor cursed to lead from bullets also killed many condors. Condor would eat animals that people had shot and died from lead poisoning. In recent times, condor died from flying into an electrical power line. This danger also showed the number of endangered condors, but they faced an additionally additional perils as well. Some South American villagers shoot condors because they believe birds kill their livestock. Suddenly, at one time in the United States, fewer than 10 California condors were lived in the wild. The species was unbelievably close to extinction, but 1987 scientists humanly rescued them. Scientists carefully brought the condors to areas where they could safeguard the condors and help them raise their young. After 5 years and great effort, scientists began releasing California condors back into the wild. The attached number tag on the bird wings detected helped scientists know how many condors exist as well as track how they are copying. By May 2013, more than 230 California condors were flying free. A South American organization has rescued reserve for condors. They also work to inform the public about extinction and to clarify that condors are not hazardous to livestock. Today, it is estimated that a few thousand Andean condors survive in the wild. A magnificent bird, if you extend your arm straight out from your side. What do you suppose your wingspan is? Whatever the measure, is probably only around half the extent of average condor wingspan. California and Andean condors were among the most enormous flying birds in the world. They are very rare, so most of us can only imagine a giant condor eleg- elegantly sailing above the population. If these birds were once much larger than they are today, but they are slowly making a comeback. Tweet to magnificent condors too good, but if people understand their plight, Condor may be able to soar high in the sky for years to come. Thank you for listening.